Realme C51 is the latest entry-level budget smartphone from Realme, and in this video we are going to have a detailed review of the device covering all of its pros and cons. So here we go. Let's talk about the design and build quality. On the front side, we got a huge 6.74-inch display with 86% screen-to-body ratio. The bezels on the sides are quite thin considering the price segment of the device. We got a bit of bezel at the bottom, and the same goes with the top as well. Here you can see that it comes with a notch that is slowly getting disappeared from the smartphones. But the good part is that this notch is pretty tiny in size and will not affect your visual experience on this device. And there is a 3.5mm jack provided as well. On the right side, we got the power button, beneath which you will find the fingerprint sensor. On the back of the device, we got this dual tone finish that is quite beautiful, stylish and eye-catching for sure. The bottom part is matte finished and the area surrounding the camera module is pretty glossy. We got 3 camera rings here at the camera module. 2 of them are lenses and one of them is just LED flash, but giving the impression that we got triple rear camera setup on this device. The camera lenses are coming a bit out of the frame, so if you put it on a flat surface then it might wobble a bit. The CD effect on the glossy part of the back panel is looking quite beautiful, and once again it is eye-catching as well. At 7.9mm thickness, the device is not too thick considering the fact that it comes with a huge 5000 mAh battery. We got plastic back panel, plastic frame, and it weighs just 186 grams, so it is pretty lightweight. Realme C51 does not come with any kind of IP certification. The glass used on the display is also not Gorilla Glass, and there is no protection provided in terms of screen protector here as well. Now talking about the display, we got a 6.74-inch HD Plus display with 86% screen to body ratio. It is an IPS LCD display with 90Hz refresh rate, and the PPI you will get is 260. It is not too much, but once again considering the price of the device, it is pretty justified and it is still sharp enough to enjoy the content on the device. Under the setting, you get the option to either select the 60Hz or the auto. There is no option to select 90Hz refresh rate by default and force the device and apps to use it. But at auto, the display is looking quite smooth, as you can see here. The display of Realme C51 comes with a unique feature, that's the mini capsule that allows you to check the battery status, the pedometer stat regarding your steps, and the mobile data usage. The maximum brightness can go as high as 560 nits, so you won't feel much issue while using the device in bright sunny outdoors. And once again, considering the price segment of this device, the brightness level is quite nice. In terms of hardware specs, the Realme C51 comes with Unisoc T612 processor. We got 6GB RAM and 256GB storage. It comes with dynamic RAM expansion feature that allows you to extend the RAM up to 6GB virtually on Realme C51, so you can get overall 12GB RAM on this device. And it also comes with a dedicated microSD card slot that supports up to 2TB of storage. We got 5000 mAh battery with 33W charging that allows you to charge the battery from 0% to 50% in just 28 minutes, and that's quite impressive considering the other smartphones in this price segment. Because of the low resource hungry hardware, the battery performance of the Realme C51 is quite impressive. Talking about the software, the Realme C51 comes with Android 13 with the special T edition of Realme UI. The Realme UI T edition comes with lots of features and options that you can use to improve your productivity on this device. Of course, it is not as feature rich as the regular Realme UI because of the price segment and the hardware we got on this device, but it is still good enough to enjoy and have a nice user experience. Now talking about the camera, we got 5MP front facing camera that is capable of recording 720p HD videos at 30fps. On the back of the device, we got 50MP primary camera and 0.08MP depth sensor. Since this is a budget smartphone, there is no ultra wide angle lens, optical zoom lens, or the dedicated macro lens provided. We can record 1080p resolution videos up to 30fps. There is no 60fps mode provided at all. The overall camera performance of the device is good enough, as you will be able to capture good quality images in sufficient lighting condition. For low light imaging, it also comes with night mode along with plenty of filters to create nice effects on your pictures. Overall, the Realme C51 is a very nice entry-level budget Android smartphone, especially if you're talking about the design, build quality, storage and the battery charging speed. The provided fingerprint sensor is fast and accurate, the camera performance is good enough, the battery life is brilliant, and the mini capsule feature is quite unique and useful as well. So that's all for now friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.